What the fuck? Oh. Huh? Recording live in the backyard.
I know it seems super hard right now, but we're almost there. We're almost finished. Come on, keep going. Come on, pick up the pace a bit. That's it. Just like that. Just like that. Keep going. Keep going. Come on. Have a faith. Come on. We're almost there. I can see the end. Come on, keep going. You've got this. Come on, last sprint. Last sprint, please.